Hey friends, I'm Gino. Have you ever been scared when things go crazy around you? Well, let me tell you about a time when Jesus showed his friends that even the biggest storms can't stop him. One day, after teaching a huge crowd, Jesus and his friends got in a boat to sail across the lake. The water was calm, the sky was clear, and everyone was ready for a peaceful ride. Jesus fell asleep and was resting peacefully at the back of the boat. The boat was sailing under clear sky. Everyone was happy. Then suddenly, boom! Out of nowhere, a huge storm blew in. Jesus' disciples were terrified and started screaming. There were massive waves crash against the rocking boat. One of the disciples, Peter, was holding on tight and shouting,
"Help! We're going to sink!"
The disciples couldn't believe it. Jesus was still sleeping through the storm. Then Peter yelled,
"Lord, don't you care if we drown?"
Jesus calmly stands and raises his hands while facing the storm.
Peace, be still.
And just like that, the storm immediately stopped at Jesus' command. Everything was quiet. The disciples were amazed. Then Jesus asked them,
Why are you so afraid? Don't you trust me?
Jesus wanted his friends and us to remember that no matter how scary life gets, he's always in control. The disciples were truly stunned. They realized Jesus wasn't just their friend. He was the Son of God, with power over everything. We all face storms in life, maybe a big test, losing a friend, or feeling alone. But just like Jesus calmed the storm, he can bring peace to our hearts when we trust him. So remember, kids, next time you're scared, take a deep breath and say, "Jesus, I trust you." I hope you learned something new today. Please share and subscribe, and come back next time for another incredible Bible story from Taste His Word.